Namaste, my dear students. Welcome back. Continuing from the last class, we were studying the lesson by the name Dog Finds His Master. We had completed till para 2. We will be moving forward with the remaining paragraphs of the lesson. Before to go to the next paras, in previous class we came to know that the dog was suffered because he was not happy. He was suffered because that dog was not happy for wandering here and there for food for whole day. And also he was afraid. He was afraid for what? He was afraid of the stronger animals than him. So finally what he decided? He decided by himself that to become a servant of other animals who is stronger than anyone on the entire earth. So what he decided? He decided to choose a master, and that master should be stronger than anyone on the earth. So what happened next? See in the next paragraphs. Third paragraph. He walked and he met the kinsman of his, a big wolf who was as strong as himself. He was fierce. Where are you going, friend? The wolf asked. Then, after that, what happened? He went in search to find his master, to find strongest animal on the earth, to become his servant. So, in search, he walked and walked. ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಹಾಗೆ ನಡೀತಾನೇ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. Then what happened? On his way, he met his kinsman. Kinsman means his relative, his distant relative. Bandhu balaga. The meaning of kinsman is he walked and he met the kinsman of his. The meaning of kinsman is relative, his distant relative, Bandhu balaga. A big wolf who was as strong as himself. Then on his way he met a big wolf who was very strong than the dog. He was fierce. Fierce, the meaning of fierce is very ferocious, intense, ಕ್ರೂರ ಅಥವಾ ಘೋರ, ಉಗ್ರವಾದಂತಹ. And the meaning of fierce is what? Arrogant, cruel. Here the meaning of fierce is arrogant, cruel. Then what happened? The wolf asked to the dog that, where are you going, friend? The wolf asked. Wolf ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ತೋಳ. The wolf asked to the dog that, where are you going, my friend? So meaning of this paragraph is, ಆ ನಾಯಿ ತನಗಿಂತ ಬಲಶಾಲಿಯಾದ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಯನ್ನು ಹುಡುಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾದ ತೋಳ ಸಿಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಆ ತೋಳ ನಾಯಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳುತ್ತೆ? ನೀನು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀಯಾ ಎಂದು ಕೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಸಿ ದ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್. I am looking for someone to take me up as a servant. Would you like to be my master? Wolf, the dog, said. Here what happened? Then the dog replied to the wolf that, I want to become servant of someone who is more strong on the entire earth. Here he asked to the wolf that. What he asked? Wolf asked to the dog. Then the dog replied, I am looking for someone to take me up as a servant. Would you like to be my master? ನೀನು ನನ್ನ ಒಡೆಯನಾಗುವೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆ ನಾಯಿ ತೋಳಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳುತ್ತೆ. Would you like to be my master? Wolf, the dog said. Here, who said to whom? Who is saying these words? The dog. The dog saying these words to whom? To wolf he is saying. Why not? The wolf said, and this agreed upon. The two of them went on together. Here, walking in the forest, his kinsman means one who belongs to the same family, and It asked to the dog, "Why are you here? And where are you going?" And it answered like, "I am looking for master." It questioned to the wolf, "And would you be my master?" He asked. Who asked? Dog asked to the wolf. Then immediately the wolf agreed to the dog's words and replied, "Why not?" And they went on together. Means they went side by side in the forest. Why not? ಯಾಕಾಗಲಿ, ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನ ಒಡೆಯನಾಗುವೆ ಎಂದು ತೋಳ ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರು ಕಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ದೇ ಮೂವ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ. ದೇ ವಾಕ್ಡ್ and all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose, sniffed, darted quickly off the path into the bushes and crept deeper into the forest. The dog was very much surprised. They walked, and all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose, sniffed. Sniffed means taking the deep smell of something. Meaning of sniff is taking the deep smell of something. Then they started walking in the forest. All of a sudden, what happened? The dog lifted his nose and sniffed. Then darted quickly off the path into the bushes and crept deeper into the forest. Darted means a quick movement in the particular direction. Movement of something in a particular direction. He ran into the bushes very quickly. Who? That bear. It went deep inside the forest. Here, wolf entered into the particular direction. By seeing this, the dog was surprised. Why the wolf is behaving like this? It is feeling strange. Here, who moved into the forest? Who moved quickly? Who ran quickly into the forest? That wolf. Why it ran? Let's see. The dog was very much surprised, and because of this behavior, the dog was feeling very surprised. Why the wolf is behaving like this? It is feeling very strange here. What's come over you, master? He asked. What has frightened you so much? What's come over you, master? He asked. Who asked? The dog. What has frightened you so much? Here, the dog is asking to the wolf. Then what happened? Then what it has done? What the dog think first? The dog thought that wolf is stronger than anyone on the earth. But here, he is seeing that he is scaring of something. By this surprising behavior of wolf, dog started questioning and thinking it has been frightened for something. So it asks, "What's comes over you, master?" He asked. What has frightened you so much? Why are you fearing? What frightened you? The dog asked. Then it replied, "Can't you see? There's a bear out there, and he might eat up both of us," the wolf replied. Here, the wolf replied that, "Can't you see the bear coming towards us, and it could eat both of us. That is the reason why he frightened of bear." Seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decided to take up service with the bear. He left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. The bear agreed to this readily and said, "Let us go and find a herd of cows. I will kill a cow, and then we can both eat our fill." After seeing this, the dog first thought the wolf is stronger, but he is scaring of bear. After seeing this, that the bear is stronger than the wolf, he decides to become the servant of bear because bear is stronger than the wolf. Seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decides to take up the service with the bear. He left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. After seeing that, the wolf scared of bear. So after seeing that, he left the wolf and asked to the bear that he wants to be his servant. Would you be my master? The dog asked to the bear. The bear agreed to his readily and said, "Let us go and find a herd of cows. I will kill a cow and then we can both eat a fill." Here, let us go and find a herd of cows. Herd of cows means a group of cows. Herd is, which type of noun is that? That is collective noun. Like a bunch of keys, bunch of grapes, bunch of keys, that is bunch is a collective noun. Like same, herd is collective noun. Here the dog has changed his service from wolf to bear. He thought to become servant of the bear and he asked to the bear that to become his servant. The bear agreed to the dog and he said, it will hunt one cow and we can both eat our fill. Fill means to content. We will fill our stomach first. He told that let us go and find a herd of cows. He would kill one cow and they would eat a cow till they would be satisfied. They walked on and soon saw a herd of cows, but just as they were about to come to it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. The cows were moving loudly and running in panic in all directions. The bear looked from behind a tree and then he too ran hastily deeper into the forest. Then they walked on and soon saw a herd of cows, but just as they were about to come to it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. The cows were moving loudly and running in panic in all directions. Then they moved in the jungle, the bear and dog, and very soon they found a herd of cows there. But what happened? What happened there? They were about to hunt a cow, but that time they heard a terrible sound of something. They heard a sound, a terrible sound, and they both stopped. And also, all the cows were moving here and there. They were running here and there in panic. Panic, the meaning of panic is heduru bhayagollu. They all run in panic. And there in all the direction, they were running in all the direction. The cows were moving loudly. Moving in the sense, moving is in panic. It was afraid. That was the sound made by the cows when they were afraid. Moving is the sound of cows. That we call it as moving. The bear looked from behind a tree and then he too ran hastily deeper into the forest. Hastily means very quickly. He looked here and there, the bear. He must have seen something. He also ran very quickly and he hid himself deep in the forest. Here the bear also done the same thing as the wolf has done. The bear ran hastily into the forest. By seeing this behavior of bear, the dog once again it has surprised by himself. The dog has thought that the bear is strongest animal on the earth, but he was wrong here. But again his decision was wrong. Here what has come, we will see it in next class. Thank you. Bye bye.